Hello and welcome back to our How to SpatialWork video guide series, created by Hiverlab. SpatialWork is our AI-powered low-code digital twin software. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, you will learn how to register an account with Hiverlab. This step is crucial as it allows you to log in to SpatialWork on your PC, web browser, and mobile device. More importantly, it provides access to the Hiverlab client portal. This is where you'll upload content to your media library and download other Hiverlab products. You can register an account in two ways, either by visiting the hiverlab.com website and clicking the login button, or through the SpatialWork desktop PC client's login interface by selecting Sign Up here, after downloading the client. If opting for the PC client method, clicking the Sign Up Here button will open a new browser window where you can follow the registration steps. Alternatively, if you're on the hiverlab.com website, clicking the login button will redirect you to our central cloud portal website, also known as the client portal, a part of Hiverlab's ecosystem. Just a heads up, the user interface's appearance might change depending on when you're watching this video, but the steps to follow should remain the same. Once you are on the registration page, all you need to do is click on Get Started and then put your email address in the respective field. After entering the email address you want to use for your account, click on the arrow. You will then receive a one-time unique verification code sent to your email address. The verification code will appear in an email congratulating you and asking you to confirm your email. Simply copy the code provided. Also, ensure you whitelist our email address to receive future communications. Next, return to the Hiverlab client portal platform, enter your verification number, and then click on the arrow to proceed. Your email address is now verified. Next, create a username and a strong password. Then you'll be prompted to add more personal details, or you can opt to check the box to use your username for your account name. Next, upload an image. This will be your account avatar. Finally, click on the tick icon, and then the registration process is now finished. Now, try signing into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to your client portal main menu browser. The Hiverlab client portal is where all your product apps are stored, including SpatialWork. From this point, you can directly access SpatialWork and your media library, where you can upload all your content for use in SpatialWork. Don't worry, we will go through all these details later on. Before concluding today's lesson, I want to demonstrate that you can access SpatialWork with the same credentials used during registration, eliminating the need for multiple registrations as it is centralized. Go to your SpatialWork PC and/or mobile app, then input the same login credentials you used to register a Hiverlab account. As demonstrated here, you now have access to SpatialWork. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.